Hey, Kim and I, we stopped in here at Tequila Cowboys. A bar down on Broadway. It's like kind of like a music row where all the bars, the hangouts are at. J.D. Shelburne up, singing a little bit. Little Matchbox 20. People from the Warrens here. Oh, we just stopped in, get a beer and a burger. Enjoy ourselves a little bit. Rest up. Looks like the Colts may have won today. Beat Nashville. A lot of Colts fans down there. We'll see what happens. Alright, here we are, 3rd Avenue and Broadway, downtown Nashville. We ate at Tequila Cowboys Bar and Grill. Well, hopefully you saw some of the video that I did in there. That's looking west up Broadway. A lot of football fans in town today. Looks like Nashville's steadily growing. They got 2 crane towers. That's looking to the east. So we're gonna go this way up here and see what we can find up here on this way. All right, we just came out of the Ryman Auditorium. And finished the tour. It was a great tour. We took the backstage tour where they have the dressing rooms and stuff, and enjoyed that. It was an extra $7. I think it was $20 for the self-guided tour, which there's plenty of things to read and look at and displays. This section right here, this has all been redone in the mid-90s. And you can see where it attached to the old building right here. So this was the original Ryman back here. And then they did this up here. It's got the gift center, the theater, some other stuff. They're doing a bunch of work down here on the 5th Street side. So this is 1 block north of Broadway where all the bars are at. So you just walk up here. You can park down by the Hall of Fame and just walk up here. It's only like 5 blocks, so you don't have to worry about it.
The Walk of the Stars or whatever.
Yep, you got the Walk of the Stars down there. You got the arena. You got everything. So, but anyway, I'm gonna try to give you a picture of this end, but they're doing work, so it may get noisy. This is the original front on 5th Street. You can see they're doing a bunch of road work here. Union Gospel Tabernacle. 1831, I think it says. This property has been placed on the National Register of Historic Places by the United States Department of the Interior. So when they added on the new, they had to change the new because the new rules are that you can't make it just like the existing structure that you're trying to copy. very cool old building. And just imagine they used to line up neck deep around here to get into this place. And I think they still do for some events.
Very cool. There's Tipton's. That's supposed to be a real famous place.
Yeah, remember it's on the other side down there too. So it was very cool. We went inside, walked up and down all the church pews that they've redone and the floors and redone a lot of stuff in there. And it came out really good. It's a really pretty place. And it's one of these things you got to do while you're in Nashville. Again, it was $27. We even bought a picture of us up on the stage, $10.
Yeah.
So, you know, enjoy yourself. All right, on to the next thing. Here's Broadway, and there's the Ryman right there. So, this is 5th and Broadway. There's all your bars. Bridgestone Arena's right here on the corner, and if you go straight down that way, you go down to the Hall of Fame Museum, Country Music Museum. Parking's right down there. Suggest to park down there. There's a lot. It was $8 during the week, but it was $20 on Sunday, but they had an event going on at the center over there, and football was in town, so well, $20. The shuttle from the campground was $10 each. So, other than having your own vehicle and gas. Alright, so now we're going to go get something to eat. And then we're going to try to see if we can go down by the Bluebird Cafe. It's just a little quaint little hole in a strip mall now. But we'll see if we can get some pictures of that. Alright, hang on. Alright, here we are in a strip mall. Bluebird Cafe, just a little hole in the wall place. Small, well known. Just a nice little place where people can come, sit down. A lot of well known people have come.
How's it going?
Alright, here we are. We're in Nashville, Tennessee. Grand Ole Opry. We're going to go up there and check it out. This is the entrance to it. It's right off 155. Up here on the top steps of the Opry. Go in there and check it out, see what we can find out. Looking forward to exploring the Nashville area. I know next weekend is Birthday Bash, which is the Opry's birthday. So we might have to see if we can figure out doing something, maybe coming back, because Carrie Underwood's going to be here at the Opry. So let's go check this out.